Right above you.
So what do they call them here? Canadian jays?
Gorbies. We call them Canadian jays. They call them Gorbies.